So, welcome to another episode of Elevator Talk. It's your boy HB.
It's your boy Gav.
Alright, so today, we have what some would say, probably maybe even most, a contender of so far shoe of the year. So, if you can't tell by the box, we have the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined. So pretty much Jordan Brand been starting this whole Reimagined series where they release like some of the popular retros and give them like a different look. I think it all started with like the patent leather Breds. And then last year we got the Chicagos, which kind of feature the same theme as this, like an aged look. And now we here. So the white cement Reimagined. So, I mean, first off with the box, it kind of got like the aged look.
That vintage look.
Yeah, they made it look like the box was old.
I like that.
A little attention to detail. The paper is the same. A little bit it comes with a card too.
Yeah, if your judge don't have this, you should fake.
They come with the card too. So yeah, this was the pair from, I believe, the exclusive access. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with the Nike hang tag. We also have a little bit of yellow, well, pretty much a yellowed Nike tab. Got a yellow on the midsole, a little bit of yellowing on the eyelets, the black Nike Air on the back. Pretty much the white cement threes, just with the yellowed heel tab and the yellow midsole. Honestly, I think they came out pretty clean.
Yeah, these are fire.
Definitely fire.
You think they look better than the retros?
Huh?
You think they look better than the OGs?
Like the original ones? I mean,
like, would you prefer the vintage look or the all white?
or like the all whites, like on the 88s. I mean, honestly, I feel like I prefer the 88s. I mean, just because, I mean, it's just white. I feel like, I mean, if you were to have a pair in your closet for some time, of course they're going to end up looking like this, but I still like the look on these. These still nice.
Okay.
These definitely still nice.
These are fire. That's crazy.
So do you think they could be shoe of the year?
They can be.
Because the Reimagined last year, the ones was on everybody's list. This is like a iconic colorway in the Jordan 3s. Like when it comes to the 3s, it's Z's and the black cement. Those are like the top two. Then everything else,
Yeah, it trickles down. Shoe of the year? Yes. Contender? Yes. Yes. Contender.
But I mean, this pair actually came out looking pretty good. But I heard a lot of people were having like quality control issues where like the elephant print was looking completely different on each shoe.
So was it yesterday? Yesterday or the day before? I went to go get my daughter a pair, but the pair that they had in the store looked crazy on the back.
Like, what you mean? Elaborate.
Like the glue was crazy exposed.
Also, a lot of glue stains.
Yeah, a lot of glue stains, and like you said, the elevator print did look a little off on it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pass. But I got my younger daughter the pair though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those didn't look too bad. But yeah, it was a lot of problem with these. A lot of issues. But yeah, can definitely contend of the shoe of the year. I'll say that.
Yeah, all right. I mean, we could give them that. Definitely a contender. More to come. We gotta see what's coming up. They got them fours,
The fours,
SB fours.
shit, they made
You got the SB4s
I
coming up,
don't
but
know.
hopefully somebody get a pair.
Yeah,
Hopefully we get a pair of those.
get a pair and
So scale of 1 to 10, what are these going?
these are like a 10.
Yeah, I mean I'll say the same thing because I mean
I-
like, what more could you ask for? I mean the only more you could ask for is like,
Make this white.
yeah, but who cares? Like,
Yeah.
it still looks straight. It looks straight. I like the
Nah,
vintage
these are
look
10.
on it.
These are definitely
Yeah,
10.
it's like,
Yeah, I'm giving those a 10, man.
all right, and with those, yeah, it's like, what more could you have done with them? It's just perfect. To be, I feel like they didn't go super crazy like they did with
They need
the, like with the ones, because with the ones, you know, they did the white crackle leather thing. With these, they didn't add no crackle leather. They kept the leather the same at the top.
They did. Yeah.
All they did was just yellow the plastic parts in the midsole.
Yeah. It's dope.
Easy call.
Mm-hmm. What did these retail for?
These retail, what, like 210? I think that's like their whole new thing. You know, they took them off the box, so you can't see no more. But I think like 210, 200. I know these. He got these off of the exclusive access sneakers app. Lucky.
Mm-hmm. If you can get these, get these. Get these.
Definitely. And I mean, since they already came out, if you don't got these, you might have to take the walk of shame to GOAT. Well, it's all cool. Happens to the best of us.
But if you really want them, they're worth it. I think they are. So, there you have it. It's another review on Elevator Talk. It's your boy Gav.
HB.
We out here. Oh shit, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe.